Hi everyone, welcome to Production Operations Management. In this small example, I'm going to show you an easier method of how to find the critical path and how to find the duration of a project. So what we do is, I have a very small example here, and the first thing we need to do is we need to just make a network diagram to show the relationship between the tasks. So I'm going to start with task A, which doesn't have any predecessor. So let's just put A first. And then I have B and C that are following A. B and C, they follow A. And then D follows B. There's D, and it follows B. And E follows B and C, both of them. So in that case, I'm going to put E here. And I will make an arrow from B and also an arrow from C that goes into E. And then I have F, and F has two predecessors, so two tasks have to be completed before F can start, and that is D to F and then E to F. Then what I will do is I'm going to put the durations of each task on top of each one of them. So 3, 5, 4, 6, 7, and 4. So then what I have to do is I'm going to take a look at the paths that goes from A to F. Remember that whenever there is a relationship between each activity, you have to complete the activity first and then the next activity after. So for example, if I need to do D, I have to finish A and B. If I need to finish, let's say E, I have to finish A, B, C together, then I can just start E. So what I need to do is I'm going to put all the paths that are coming from the beginning to the end. So there I have A to B to D to F. And then I have another path that goes from A to B, then E to F. And the third path is A to C to E to F. So what I did is I outlined all the paths that are going from the beginning to the end. So I have to complete these paths in my project, and whichever takes the longest time is going to determine my project duration. So A, B, D, F is 8 and 10 here, which is 18. So 3 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4. And A, B, E, F is 3 plus 5 plus, I made a mistake here, 3 plus 5 here. Okay, so 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 4. And the third path is 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 4. So the total is 18. And this total is 8, 7, 15 plus 4 is 19. And this total is 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 4 is 18. So I determined that ABEF takes the longest duration. So this is my path, ABEF. And that determines my project duration. And I'm going to say that the duration of my project is 19 days, whichever the time period is. Okay, thanks for watching.